welcome to mywealth.com. I'm Bob O'Brien. I'm one of the senior instructors with the courses. Welcome to the blog for the day. 5 reasons why traders or investors in general really need to make certain they're paying attention to the currency market. Now, it's no secret to most that we're in a global economy, but I really think there's still a lot of people that don't fully understand the overall implications of being in a global economy. And especially if you're investing or you're a stock trader and so forth, it's not like it used to be in the days of, say, the 80s and so forth, where you could take advice from the incredible investor from the 80s, Peter Lynch, where he said, look around in the mall, see what a lot of other people are buying, and it's very likely that the company that's manufacturing those goods and services is a great stock to buy. In a global economy, it's much more complicated than that. You really need to make certain you know what's going on in the currency market. And even if you're just a consumer, you need to be aware of the fact of what's going on in the currency market, because it affects the products in your everyday life. So you really want to make certain that you understand this market.
Make certain that you check out the written blog at www.mywealth.com/blog. Okay, it's really important that if you're investing in the U.S., you're investing in individual stocks, that you have a strong foundation as to what's going on with the dollar. Because companies that produce goods domestically and export to foreign countries benefit from a weak dollar. Perfect example would be something like PepsiCo. When the dollar is strong, their earnings are going to be lower simply because of the fact when the money gets converted back into U.S. currency, it's not as much money. Commodity-based companies are also going to do well in a weaker dollar environment because the U.S. is the reserve currency and almost all commodities are priced in U.S. dollars. So when the dollar is weak, commodity prices are expected to be higher. Conversely, domestic companies who are end users of commodities will benefit from a strong dollar. When the dollar is strong, commodity prices are lower, which means it is cheaper for these companies to conduct their operations. Companies that import their goods from abroad and sell them here in the U.S. will benefit from a strong U.S. dollar. Walmart, for example, is the perfect example. Not only are they able to take advantage of the cheap labor abroad, they're now able to afford even more when the dollar is strong. And prices of these goods they purchase are now cheaper. Travel and leisure companies will also benefit from the weak dollar, as this means that travel is now more affordable for foreigners. That's just pretty much common sense. When we had the real weak dollar, there were a lot of people coming to New York City to do shopping because it was simply cheaper to take a whole trip to the U.S. and shop than it was to shop in Europe. So these are the things that you definitely want to make certain that you're familiar with, and these are exactly the things that we teach in our courses, more specifically the currency course. So don't wait, get in a course, get educated, get to www.mywealth.com.
As you can see, these are really interesting relationships between some of the stocks that you may own or you probably don't even know you own, whether it's in your own mutual fund and so forth, that really need to be looked at. And in a global economy that's incredibly turbulent right now, this has never been more important. And that's why a simple investment like $19.99 in our currency course, or if you feel that might be a little bit of a stretch right now, take our investing course. It's just 25 hours, and you can start to learn the investing course until you feel you're ready for the currency course. You don't want to miss these courses. You can post questions to our expert instructors. They're really well worth it. I look forward to seeing you in the course. Again, my name is Bob O'Brien, and have a great day.